Boy, I tell you what, this is gonna be the best build you ever did see. Gonna be the fastest. Gonna be it's gonna be the best. Nothing's gonna beat it. I'm telling you, we're gonna get it done. It's gonna be, dude, it's gonna be so easy. Watch me. It's gonna be so easy. Like I'm telling you. All right, boys. Now it's the easy part. If you ever need to get on the old interwebs, get you some parts, spending the money, that's nothing.
Hey, babe.
Huh?
You been on Amazon?
Have you looked at the bank? Have I been? You know.
No, hadn't seen anything in the bank, but there's a bunch of packages on the porch. So, what's up with that?
Blake got some pit bike parts the other day. Blake was out front.
Oh, yeah?
He's supposed to pick them up here shortly, so don't.
Oh.
I mean, come on, boys. I got parts for this thing brand new left and right. I've been on the Amazons. I've been on the eBays. I've been doing some shopping. I mean, got the new clutch back there. There's the whole gasket set where I'm going to rebuild the engine on this shiny puppy. And I mean, like I said, guys, it's going to be America. America, and we don't need to consider all of it. We don't need to think it through. We're just going to get it done. That's the way we do it. And if I can't do it, hell, we'll hire it out. We'll get somebody over there, you know, one of the ones that ain't sick, and we'll get one of them some bitches to do her if we can't do her, but we'll get her done. Well, got the jack shaft in, man. So much work done on this thing. Clutch I got soaking. Come on. Got the new mounts going. Everything's perfect. I got a bunch of more parts coming in tomorrow, and I'm going to crack this engine open, find out, get the top end going, and it's going to be simple as that, guys. Like, that's it. Son bitch. $1,100 for a big bore kit. Get a new cylinder, but I guess I'm gonna have to get mine worked. Let me see my phone right there. Hey, what up, you old son of a bitch? What are you doing? Yeah. That CR250 cylinder, you said you'd take a look and let me know what it was gonna cost to. You can't fix it, but they can machine it. $575. I mean, no, that's not that big a deal. I mean, 575. How long will it take? 3 weeks? Oh man, I need it tomorrow, next week, dude. Come on, I'll call you back. Well, guys, I just got off the phone. It's gonna cost me $275 to have that fucking top end done. But that's not it. Plus another $300 to have it inserted, and I'm fucking done with this shit. I'm so over it. I'm selling this project. I've been trying to get the son of a bitch to fit right here. Maybe if I try it, it'll fit this way. Fuck! This could be the top end. This the bottom end. And that's the spark plug. And there's the exhaust, the engine. So, the plane is. Where are my black crayons? Reagan! Hey, these are his, aren't they? Where's my set? I'm gonna have to make do. Here's the frame. It's got some handlebars. And it's got one tire on the front, one on the back. Now, it's just with the that sumbitch ain't gonna fit! The engine looks like this. You think I can't sell it on the internet? I'll get on the internet. Beep, boop, beep. I'll have that shit gone in a day. You watch, because I'm tired of looking at this thing, and it's gonna come out with all the new parts. My little drawings, everything. Well, since parts are worth so goddamn much on the eBays, I'm done with this project, and I'm just gonna sell mine on here. I didn't even get myself into this. God damn. Now it's a waiting game, boys, and we'll just see what they offer. And, you know, I'll be happy with it. I'm sure there's some guys out there that are knowledgeable. I just got an offer. $200 fucking dollars for the motor and everything. There's going to be a lot of I told you so's. I know it. There's going to be a lot of them. Fuck it. I'm keeping it. I'm going to finish it. I'm going to do the build. I'm going to finish it. I ain't got time for this shit. So, you know what? There's no pot of gold at the end of the rainbow for me. And I've had it. And I've had it. And I've had it. I'm done with this. I'm going to forget about it. I'm going to forget it. I'm just going to forget about it. Hey, man, it's me, Jared. Oh, hell, I'd been drinking the other day. Well, it was in the morning, but I was drinking the night before. Look, man, how much was you saying out the door again? You don't have to be a dick about it. I'm already screwed. Now it's $675. Give me a minute, man. Hold on. Dude, that's out the door and everything? Well, work with me a little bit. Well, do y'all need somebody to sweep up or something? Well, you know what? Forget it then, man, because I'm tired of bullshitting with you. I'll find somebody to machine it for half that. Let me call Blake. Blake, you still got that daggum wire brush on you for your drill? All right. Yeah, bring it with you when you come over tomorrow, man. $30 to borrow it? Sons of bitches. They want to lowball me. You think I ain't got a fucking tree? I've got a tree. My fucking neighbor's coming over here. Hey, man. How you doing? No, it ain't for fucking sale. It ain't for sale. Well, you just fuck off. Sons of bitches want a lowball. No, I get it. That's fine. It's gonna stay right fucking here. It's gonna stay right here. And it ain't for sale. And I'm gonna finish it. It's no less a project right there than it was when I started. Lowballing sons of bitches.